Watch, watch, watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hey, yo, watch what going on, man. Hey, franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know what go already, you know. When I come for aim up, load up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch this now, man. You know a Gaza favorite, right? You know the people's champion. Watch this. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. The big man drop big album in a people ears. And I hear a bag of concherry shit a go on. Some man a call the man clown because them claim the man a cry. Yo, now the first thing, love is a emotion thing. And you don't have no medicine, nah nothing where you can go to the pharmacy or the doctor for prescribe for that. So me no know what not chat about. And let me tell you something. Some boy, you know, either not chat up them mouth, you know. And when girl do them thing, you know, him lock up in him house and act like a bitch, you know. You see where me I deal because him no man enough, you know, for come out, you know, and speak him mind. Say him act like him hide like a bitch in him house and go on with beer sitting. Yo, how much man wanna see from the years, from last year, inside of the country, where him have woman problem and him end up kill himself and kill all the female them. Eh? How much time wanna see that happen? We're not talking about no stupidness. Now Buju Banton and Beres Amman did ask you say who say big man don't cry. You never miss the water till the well run dry. We're not talking about. So I go ask you something. Does Kartel wise like King Solomon? Because the Bible says King Solomon is the wisest man, you know, upon the earth, you know, the face of the earth, you know. And the richest man, you know. Because him asks Father God for knowledge, you know, for teach the nation, you know. And the man make him know and my man make him 10 times wiser and 10 times richer than any living person upon the face of the earth, you know. And a woman defeat King Solomon. So I want to know what not chat about. Alright. Does Kartel strong like Samson? Because Samson was the world's strongest man, you know. Who pushed down the tower, you know, and bring down the temple, you know. I will bust out lion mouth with him beer and you know. And woman still defeat him. Delilah still defeat him. So what you chat about? From creation, you know, see say, woman, a man weakness. What you talk about Adam and Eve? What you chat about? A be a lollipop thing me soon go on with, you know. And I chat up on the mouth and I act like you have a point, you know. Let me tell you something. The man drop a world album. The whole world can listen to it and gravitate to it. No for no put out no work like that, my brethren. And some of the artists, them wanna boots up, them no drop no work like that ever in a music industry. But una come and a chat up on a mouth and a go like una clown. Some of them don't even have a chick nor a child. You see what I deal with? Remember 3 youth cartel have with Shorty, you know. Where you think a joke thing, let me tell you something, you know. So when a man reach in him 40s, it's all about him family to him, you know. Because him don't see it all, you know. So me don't know what I talk about, you know. Wanna feel like a 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 girl man run through. What I talk about? When you see a man reaching him 40s and upgrade him knowledge certain way, the best thing to him and family, my brethren. I want to have to know that. Because that counts. You see what I deal with? There's a thing where out there joke. Him see it all. And him done it all. So what you talk about? Eh? You no fun to look a boy for watching them out and know what I chat say, you know. And stop discriminating, you know. A real thing me I tell you about, you know. You better second yourself and know how to regulate, you know. Because all of them chatting now, you can't stop the album from it big time, you know. You see what I deal with? Because the whole world will listen to it, you know. As something where each and every nation can gravitate to, you know. A real life aspect the man speak about, you know. Wanna feel like some form of lollipop thing or some form of illusion thing? Wanna talk about? Eh? Wanna talk about? You understand yourself and listen big song. I want me to know. I want to better listen them thing there and upgrade on the knowledge. Because it's not a joke thing. We have wicked woman out there. And you have wicked man out there. You see what I deal with? And you have so much people get fall down in a love. You see me? That thing the way you call love. You know how much people that shit defeat and how much family that stuff mash up. Eh? You know how much man and woman them thing they defeat. From the Bible not show you that from creation. So what not chat about? You know, understand yourself, you know. You know what I mean? Because you know in time I drop necessary equipment, I not laugh with it, you know. I not go tell you nothing about the truth, the raw and truth, you know. Somehow, you know, some look up boy where they ever piss there over bun grass yet, you know. But you know want to run up and people comment in a people comment box and write up all kind of stupidness. Somehow you still live on no mother house, you know, my brethren. Remember that, you know, no mother still have to take care of you, you know. Remember, you know, no for if no mother no buy toothpaste and no brush teeth, you know. Somehow no all use all no mother cologne, you know, like a bitch, you know. So I don't know what they chat about, you know. Wait, not upon this earth powerful like love. So I don't know what you talk about. You see what I deal with? You don't have no cure for that. Only time alone can pass and make that thrill away. And it's still there. They don't feel like it gone. You know what I mean? It just needs certain form of emotion thing for draw your attention to feel that all over again. So on a second yourself and behave on the mouth, watch on the mouth. You know what I mean? And all of you know discriminate. You know not for buy the man album. You can't stop it from it. You know see how it gravitate all over the world. Go look on the iTunes chart then. No? If you don't feel like some lollipop thing go on. Eh? What you feel like? Somehow all a ball over some butter ears girl. You know what I mean? Much as the man good baby mother. What you talk about? A 3 youth the man have with her, you know. Where you think of some lollipop thing? Eh? What you feel like? Someone want to go inside, you know. I don't know how you have so much mouth, you know. All you do is hide behind the camera, you know, hide behind the phone, you know, and chat up a bag of foolishness, you know. And go like you don't say nothing, you know. Whatever you say, it don't make no sense to nobody, you know, my brethren. Some of you just want to be controversial, you know. Like, well, then that I go stop nothing. You know what I mean? Some of you now have a pot for pissing, you know, and still a chat up on the mouth. Eh? I want me to know. Eh? I want me to know clowns. I want me to know top nerds. Disney World patient. Eh? I want to feel like. I want to go on with. The king for reggae music, Bob Marley, you say 3 years him a knock on Miss World door. And him still would have knock some more. So I want to call the king. Say my bait come a ball over Miss World. Eh? How much you Bob Marley have? You know, see them man they are top gallus. And money now for spend him a naturalist. Call Miss World belly get fat up. What not talk about? Somehow, you know, I act like, you know, on a decent, you know. And somehow, you know, the way you come in on this earth, you know, some one night stand, you know, bring you in on this earth, you know. And there one side I chat up on the mouth. I go, you don't know on the father? No father, no. We are chat up on the mouth. You know who are your father? You want to shut up on the mouth, you know, and listen big song, you know, and listen big album, you know, and take note, you know. That means you can upgrade your knowledge, you know. You see what I deal with? And you don't fall into the same mistake. Because you feel like tough up on yourself and tough up on yourself pan woman make you feel like you're a macho man. You're a clown, man. Man not beat up against woman, man. A real talk. You're weak from you do that. You know what I mean? Someone for go inside, man. Nobody no want hear nothing from you, man. One of them there chat, boy. Eh? Look a clown nerds boy. What one there they chat about? Eh? We don't know, we not laugh with it. You can't stop the man thing. You there they chat and chat all kind of hypocrisy and I go like tough. You know what I mean? But man a ball over. You know feel baby mother. You can't stop the man from that. When I go one side. You have a baby mother, you don't have baby mother, you don't have kids. Eh? No for you even have kids and they ever take care of your kids. But go one side, man. See the man two you them bust out in a music. Two of them and them brilliant in a school. In a high school. And them shit there. And not do them thing. What not talk about? You know what go on inside of the man? You don't feel nothing where the man feel? Yo, let me tell you something, man. Someone go fix up on your own life, you know, before you come by us and chat up on your mouth, you know. Because someone there for have a life, you know. Most of you will write comment in a people comment box and a disrespect. The man a cry over a girl and them shit there, you know. Someone still a walk a road, a beg man draw for them cigarette, a beg man draw for them spliff, and a roll out on a hand like some bitch everyone go. Let me tell you something, you know. A guys around this shit, you know, we start 2020 brilliant, you know. And it's going to take a couple more time for you to really hear the real fact of what go on with the album. Because I see say international, I just want the album get even one or two international hit. Watch. And they want to see where the hell I go on about ya. Watch.